Hello and welcome to Sonyabeonit channel. Today I'm serving a meal for 1 to 2 people. We're gonna some of this flounder fish. I'm gonna make it in a different kind of way. I think you're gonna love it. Oh, if this is your first time visiting my channel, as you can see, I'm very chill. Got my hair tied up because nobody wanted fine hair in their food, okay? But if you're ready to get started with this very simple yet delicious meal, I say let's get started. You want to make sure you marinate this very well. You want to pour all of your cooking grease into your skillet because we're going to deep fry it. Go ahead and touch your grease with a little flour. That's good to go. When you have your fish over here by the grease, I want you to shift it a little bit more to coat it some more. So I hope you've enjoyed the time we've shared together because you too deserve a home cooked meal. Until next time, be blessed.